The Ikea Markus, Sweden's greatest gift to content creators and desk junkies. It's comfortable, quiet, affordable, but those armrests, what were they thinking? For this hack, you will need 2 mending plates, 2 bolts, 2 matching nuts, a drill bit, a spanner, and an Allen key. Start by drilling out the holes on the mending plates. Then take the Allen key and remove the front bolt from the armrest. Loosen the rear bolt just enough to be able to drop the front forward slightly. Then tighten it back up so it doesn't fall. Take one of the mending plates and the original bolt and screw it into the chair. But don't tighten it fully just yet. Take one of the new bolts, thread it through the armrest and the third hole down on the mending plate. Secure it in place with the nut. If you prefer your chair to be a bit higher, or you have a lower desk, you can use the 4th hole down to get some more clearance. Use the spanner to get it nice and tight. Fully tighten the original bolt. And it should look like this. Now just repeat the steps for the other side. Problem solved. I'll see you next time.